Welcome to our ePNTexting system. ePNTexting allows you, the merchant, to communicate with your customer via SMS texting to promote sales, discounts, and any notification from your company. All you need is their cell phone number and a return acknowledgement, and then you can begin sending notifications from your company. Go to our web address, https://www.eprocessingnetwork.com. Let's begin by logging in with your username and password. Now, select Texting System. ePNTexting opens and displays the texting menu. This is also your inbox where all of the messages sent to you will appear. The menu for your inbox consists of Sent Messages, Preset Messages to Groups or Clients, and then Clients and Groups. Since all of your messages center around your clients, let's begin by entering in your clients. The Clients tab serves as your contacts page. Here, you will be able to add, edit, delete, or message clients. Clicking on the Add Client button will open up a pop-up window to enter your client's first name, last name, and then their cell number to text. Then click the green Save button to save the contact. Once a client is saved, you may delete, edit, or send a message from this client screen. Notice that some clients may have a small cross next to their phone number. This means that the client has opted out of receiving messages at that number. After all of your clients are entered, you may choose to set up groups or create your preset message texts. Let's begin with setting up your preset text message. Select Preset Message from the menu bar under the orange Compose button, and then click on Add Message. This will allow you to create your own preset message. It requires a description, which also serves as the title, and then the message itself. Clicking the green Save button will save the preset message and allow you to use it in future messages. All messages may be edited or deleted. Delete preset messages by clicking the red trash can icon, or if you prefer to edit, you can click the teal pencil icon. Just recompose it and save it. Clicking on the Groups button will take you to the Groups page. From here, you will be able to add, delete, edit, or message a group of clients. To add a new group, select Add Group, and a pop-up window will appear, and all your individual clients will load. Here, you are able to name the group, and then select which contacts you would like to add to that group. Highlight your client, and then click the blue arrow to transfer them to the selected box. Once all clients are moved, clicking the green Save button will save the group and add it to your list of groups. Clicking on the red trash can deletes the group. Clicking on the teal pencil will allow you to edit a group, and then clicking on the green envelope will allow you to message that group. ePNTexting also allows individual text. This is how you would compose or send individual text messages. To compose a message, click the red Compose button on the menu page in ePNTexting. You may enter a phone number or select a group to receive the message. If you wish to enter multiple phone numbers, just separate them with a comma. A preset message can be entered, or you can create a message on the fly. Once you have your message selected or written in, you may choose to either send a regular message, or you may fill in information for the scheduled date and time section, and schedule an appointment for the message using the yellow Schedule button. Sent Messages. This is where all the messages that you have sent will appear. For messages that were delivered, there will be a timestamp showing when the message was sent. If there is no timestamp, it means the message has not yet been delivered. To view messages, click on the teal I button. To delete any messages, click on the red trash can button. If you are interested in this program, please contact your authorized e-processing network representative. Thanks for watching the video.